camera? It landed?
Yep.
Want to drive mine, Howie? Nope, your turn.
Come on!
Right there?
Come on!
I don't know.
He can swim, right?
Huh?
He can swim?
Yeah, why don't we just attach a tow rope and pull him?
It'll be fine. That's pretty well dirt there.
Well, yeah, I guess I see rocks there, but...
Rocks there and there's dirt there.
Okay. Yeah, there really isn't a way up. Other than this. That hurt. Ouch.
I think.
Damn, Justin, go back and do that again. We forgot to get
I think I got it.
Oh, my knee and chest. This is hard, yeah.
Okay.